Hello everyone, my name is Juan and welcome to this week's video. Today we're going to talk about discontinuity in functions. In functions, there are two different types of discontinuities. They're called removable and non-removable. Okay, so let's talk about the removable discontinuities first. You can fix these types of functions and make them continuous. And if we're talking about strict mathematics, the limit must exist. However, to make things easier and learnable, is that even a word? Anyway, to make things easier, let's think about the real world. So let's pretend we're driving in a road and all of a sudden we see a gap, a hole. And this part of the function can be whether not defined or it can be defined like differently, like here, like say any point in here. Anyway, so we're in front of that hole and we can fill it with whatever we want. And by fill it, I mean we can just redefine the function. If we find our limit as x approaches a is going to be b. So we're going to define our function. So the function at a is going to be equal to b. We can basically take this point out of here and just fill it. So we have this point here and we get rid of this. So now our function is continuous. However, let's just think about what we just did. So we were on our road, we found a hole, we just filled it. But what really made that possible was the fact that our limit existed. However, there's another type of discontinuity and it's called the non-removable one. So talking as mathematical as possible, our limit does not exist. And what makes it not exist is the fact that the limit from the left is different to the limit from the right. So the limit just simply doesn't exist. So how can we think about this in a real life situation? So we're driving in our same car, however, there's not just a hole, there's a gap. There's like the road just ends there, and there's another road in here, it continues. However, we cannot build another road that simply connects the two roads. We can just build a simple patch as we did in the removable functions. So in this function, there's really nothing that we can do to remove that discontinuity. So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. And if there's a topic that you want me to go over in the next videos, please just write it in the comments down below. Finally, it would make me really happy if you share this video with a couple of your friends. Maybe they don't know a lot of math, or I don't know, but just share it. And I'll see you all in my next week's video. Bye.
Don't worry.